Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get start your subscriptions on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select business tools. Now scroll down and select subscriptions. Now select get started. Now select this cross icon. Now select this create plan, and here you need to fulfill these details like product name, product ID and etc. After filling all of these details, now just select on next button, and then you guys will get on create plan page. Now again fulfill all of your details and then just select on this next button, and finally you will get on this page right here which says review and save. And after fulfilling all of these details of this page right here, then you guys now have successfully started your subscriptions on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can select, start and manage subscriptions on your PayPal account. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.